At-home face massager for skin tightening and cream boosting is a state-of-the-art personal salon and spa equipment from Team VIJUVE for beauty and personal care enthusiasts. This cordless and battery-powered anti-aging machine can help you save your at-home facial time by 75%. Are you using the best anti-aging and anti-wrinkle face products without any results? The VIJUVE device is built specifically to help the face skin products absorb deeper to give you instant results. If your face cream/serum/lotion contains ingredients like peptides, vitamin C and E, retinol, hyaluronic acid, silk amino acids etc., then this tool is must-have, as it can bring 6 times better and quick results. With usual hands-alone application, skin products may not absorb/penetrate as they should be. After all, how much human hand can circulate? The 9000 per minimum high-frequency vibrating microspheres help push the product into the skin, resulting in increased absorption. You should use VIJUVE face massager for women and men to prevent crepey skin and aging signs by lifting the face contours and removing face wrinkles and fine line wrinkles around eyes. Distribute the applied creams, serums and lotions evenly and rebuild the collagen of your skin. Resurface and tighten the skin by taking off dark spots. Get rid of dark eye circles and maintain a fresher look with soft and glowing skin. Based on the results of survey with 100 users, 90% of users said that the VIJUVE device made their existing products work better. 80% of users said they couldn't believe how much faster they saw results by adding this device. 2 times as many users stated that they were satisfied with their appearance after using VIJUVE. The VIJUVE face massager is FDA registered, pain-free, quick, safe for home use, and can be used with your favorite skincare products. Makes any skincare product work better and faster. Absorb your favorite face cream, serum and lotion to a maximum level to hydrate the skin, reduce wrinkles, scar and age spots while firming and tightening in the quickest time. Boost all types of wrinkle cream, wrinkle serum, anti-aging face cream, scar cream, facial cleanser and essential oils etc. Massage to relieve facial dropsy and fatigue. You become ageless. This FDA-registered facial device lets you defend aging and get rid of sagging neck and face, puffy eyes, furrow lines, crow's feet, eye wrinkles, dark circles and face wrinkles if you have any, or prevent those from occurring. Its 9000 per minute vibration rebuilds the skin collagen, tightens up the pores, promotes blood circulation of your skin to give you the rejuvenated, radiant and youthful look. Simple, elegant and saves you time. This massaging device is a complete contour skin toning system which saves 75% of your time than what you spend on your current anti-aging skincare routine and provides 6 times better results. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available. This product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.